Okay guys, good morning, good morning. Welcome ulit sa ating episode 2 ng ating offline serye featuring Breath of Fire 4. So wala nang patong pick-to-pick yung pasok na tayo sa loob. Sabi ko pasok sa loob, puta. Gagalitin na naman ako eh. So tuloy natin to. Wala naman buhay yan. Alam mo yung pag naglalaro ka eh, sana ba tayo? So, naiiwan yata tayo. Pabalik na yata tayo sa ano? Pabalik na yata tayo ng Saray. May government to Saray. So, Sando Gaming Times po tayo ngayon. Mainit eh. Saka, pabigyan nyo na itong ano ko, damit ko to. So, dito tayo. Pasok. Punta tayong tavern. Putak na buhay. Sabi ko, punta na tavern. At least marami tayong magagawa. Don't be afraid. I just want some information. That's all. I want you to tell me about the monster you say you saw. Heh. I ain't got nothing to tell you. Bah. Well, I try to be a little more cooperative. If I were you. Tinamaan ng laser, no? Nung ability, no? Otherwise, these things might get a little uncomfortable. And you want that, no? You won't want that, would we? What do you think you're doing? Si Nina, nakipasok na naman ng gulo, eh, no? Why are you doing this? I thought the war was supposed to be over. Why? Because I don't like people who try to hide things. Besides, the war is not over. There's been a ceasefire called, that's all. Do you understand the difference, Missy? Wait, you're a Windian. Well, if isn't the little princess. We're here to send out to find a dragon, but we found a little bird instead. Grab her, man. No reason we should take her as well. Wait! Do you know something about my sister? Ginamitan ng Pokemon, no? Mukhang boss battle ka agad to, By the power granted me, I command thee. Warrior spirit, thou art summoned. Joe, I want you to capture that girl. Be careful not to hurt her too much. Boss battle nga to. Basta sword. Takasan nga natin ang konti ng volume. Ban! Aray! So, ito yung unang boss battle natin, no? Wala si Kin, Huwag tayo pababa ng at least 150. Item na siguro, party pen. Ay, tanga, mali ba? Ba't ako nag-charge? Mali! Ouch! Tinangan natin kung ano gagawin niya. Baka may ako tayo ability dito, Forget it, wala yung ability, So, bugbugin na lang natin. Para mas malakas ba yata normal attack ko, no? Oo nga, mas malakas pa yung normal attack pa sa burn ko. Dan dan da 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 dan. Gusto ko makuha yung flare na yan. Wala na, namatay na pala. Hayop na buhay yan. Orum. Wala man lang binigay na no gold. Wow, you're stronger than you look. Oh, what is this? A dashing knight come from to save the princess. How gallant. You know it's a knight's job to protect his lady, don't you? Where have you been all this time? Afraid of hiding in some closet or... ginamitin ng ano no? Ng cheating technique no? Flashcard technique pala, sorry. How dare you, you filthy little... Let's get out of here. Oo nga, layas na. Takbo, takbo, hanggat may lupa, takbo! What are you standing there on for? After them! Okay, saan tayo pupunta? Teka, kap muna tayo. Wala tayong buhay. Malang yan. So, at least kahit paano, malinaw-linaw na yung ating mic niya. Hindi katulad ng dati. Kasi yung dati talagang malabo no? So, takbo na tayo. Ang tanong, saan tayo pupunta? What the hell we're going? Ano yung question mark? May item? Ayun, may item nga. Piti Zenny, yun! Takbuhan na! Sa may, ano? Sa may highway. Sinusundan tayo ng mga guards, oh. Hayop na yan. Nakit Imperial troops, no? What are we going to do? We can go back and we can go on, either. Oy. Hey, you there. Oy, yung merchant kanina. They say they're gonna try to cut you off. We went up ahead, lucky you didn't get yourself caught. Yes, still, they cut off on the way out of here. You got a point there. Tell you what, seeing you all help me out back there, I want you to try to return the favor. Let me see. Maybe if you took that road, come from the gate past them. Yeah, that's it. You can get to the desert that way. You mean there's another road? Well, it's kinda out of the way, but if you head north, go up with this big town called Chamba. You can get to the desert that way. Really? Oh, thank you. Yun na nga ba sinasabi natin? Yan ang sinasabi natin sa hula eh. That means we can get back to where my friend's waiting. We'll try to road na mention. Thank you again so much. Yan. Hindi makakausap na rin tayo. So, punta tayong Chamba. So, dito. And then, okay, ready na tayo. Ready, pasok na tayo dito. We head to Chamba. Tingnan natin kung may makukuha tayo dito. O di kaya may makakalaban tayo maganda-ganda. Baby frog. And then, Gu! Ayoko ng gu! Ang loko. Kapal ng mukha ng gung yun. Tingnan lang natin, tingnan natin. Rock Tears. Mga wala tayo makukuha rito eh, no? Chamba. So, nasan tayo? I thought there's a be that it, ano? I thought the town was bigger than this. Let's see if we can find someone who can help us. Tignan muna natin dito. Oy, treasure. Live sandals. Oh, we got live sandals. Increase status resistance ng status changing attacks. Dapat to kay Nina to. Mas maganda yung merong ano ka, may status defense tayo. Kailangan natin mga daan dito. Everybody is all out for working. Say you have let me some kitchenizings. You're looking for something? Buy nga natin. Bowie knife. Naka-sage stuff na tayo eh. Wala tayong ammonia eh. May tayong isang ammonia. Tapos mahirap pa tayo sa daga ngayon eh. Kakaawa naman tayo. So, welcome sa Sando Gaming Times, guys. Good evening, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening sa inyong lahat dyan. Mamaya, ma-uploaded to in YouTube natin. Mapapanood to ngayon doon. So, hanapin natin tutulong sa atin dito. My grandma is a smith. He makes armor. I'm studying under him and so I can take over the business someday. Nice. And who you might be? Hello there, I was wondering, this Chamba, isn't it? What kind of question is that? Of course, this is Chamba. Well, a part of it at least. Most of the town is still polluted by the hex and can't be used. Hex? You heard about the town, how towns all over the places were hexed during the war, haven't you? Yes, I guess so. All you need to know is the ordinary force, like you can't go anywhere near some place that been hexed. It's too dangerous. If you need to go to Chamba for something, You have to wait until the hex is gone and looks like everyone's come back. So kailangan natin ng suits niyan, no? Kukuha tayo ng suits nito mga to eh. Alright everyone, that's it for today. We got another early start tomorrow. So make sure you get some sleep. Alright? Now get out of here. Oo nga, get out of here. Those folks just come back are a group of purifiers. They go from the town purifying them of hexes. So if we want to find out more about the hex, we should ask them, right? Thank you for their help. Tara, kausapin natin. Nantok pa ako. Ako nagising eh. Well now, we don't get any visitors here. I'm the leader of the bunch. My name is Tab. We're just about to sit down to supper. So whatever it is, it had to be wait until you go after that. We wait here. You want to wait here? Fine by me. But if I were you, I'd rather walk around the town or something than watch the bunch of people eat. We wait here. Well then, excuse us. Manonood lang tayo sa kanila. Habang iniinggit natin sa sarili na sila habang kumakain tayo nakanonood lang, no? Thanks for the waiting. Now, what I can do for you? We need to get through to Shamba. Is there any way we can do before the hex is disappeared? No, afraid not. There's a lot of negative energy bound up in that mist. You need a special armor just to go inside. I figured it will at least another year before we can get rid of the hex completely and get Shamba back to normal. Still, if you absolutely have to get through now, there might be a way. You could ask one of my workers here if they're willing you to guide you through. So all we need is to guide as a guide, ha? So maghanap tayo ng guide. You want me to take you through the hex? You don't know I like to do. If you did, I know better than everyone asked. Well, there's some places where the hex is getting thin and wearing off. Nah, forget it. It's too dangerous. You want to go through the hex without any armor? Are you kidding? You won't last out 5 seconds in there. If you want to sleep over there, alam na natin yan eh. Save na nga lang muna tayo rito. Napainis ni Nina eh, no? Tignan natin kung sino pwede natin kausapin dito. At yung dalawang poging to. Of course, the hex was under Talon's pretty bad too. You mean the Sinesta? Well, yeah. And we are back. Game. Okay, game. So, yeah. I mean, there's a ride on the border, right? Okay, hanap pa tayong ibang tao. You want go to the hex area? Why is there a reason you can go around Shamba? I don't know, it's our job to clean the hexes, but I don't think you want to take anyone else in there. Well, you have found someone who will guide you. That's what I thought. It's just too dangerous to take unprotected inexperienced people inside. But we have no other choice. We can use any other roads. So may naglo-lurking doon sa labas, no? I don't know why you can't, but I think I guess why. I mean, why else anyone would come here? Steal? Oh, someone's stealing! Would it be possible to borrow your armor from you? Sorry, I'm afraid not. I mean, we needed to do our jobs, you know. Even if we did give you some armor, you need someone to help you to guide you. The mist there is so thick, you can barely see from your hands in the front of your face. Not to mention the fact that the streets are like a maze. As if we weren't enough, that place is full of ghost specters and other monsters. Nakakatakot! I mean, we're just lucky they don't. Don't smash down the wall and attack us right as now at it is. Well, ayan na nga yung sinasabi ng leader nila. Eeeeee! Taka! Uy, si Tipo, si ano? Si, ano nga ba to? Nalimutan ko pangalan nitong hayop na to. Ayun, Sir Shin! Don't you do that, you scare me out of me. If you were surprised by that, will you even more surprised us in the moment? Yeah, whatever. This is Urshin. She worked with us, but to be honest, she's a little odd. Incorrect. Urshin's not odd. Urshin's saying she will guide this too. So we have another turn, another party na ngayon. What? Are you out of your mind? What would you do if something happens? Nothing will happen. Everything will be alright. Urshin says everything will be alright. Everything will be alright. Kaduda-duda yung everything will be alright na yun no? Kaduda-duda yun Sobrang kaduda-duda yun. Ay, nag-reda na yung sa akin If Urshin says everything will be alright, it will be. For she will never get wrong. It will be alright because Urshin is always right. What the heck? Wala na yung brain cells ko. Okay, I get the idea. Fine, whatever you want, go! Thank you so much. I don't know how much you helped this help us. Do not thank me. You should thank Urshin. Thank you, Urshin. Kung tama natatandaan ko nung nalaro ko to, si Urshin kasi nasa loob niyan babae talaga which is I don't know. Yay! We got Urshin. Tara, Urshin. Ang kaya ni Urshin yan. Si Urshin pa. Tingnan natin kung ano makukuha na. Ayun, may item dun Grabe naman yan. Uy, ghost! Tingnan natin kung ano makukuha natin. Chlorine. Dun, dun, dun. So, poison attack. Na-learn ni Nina. Physical Nina. Hiya! Loko. Charge! Wala na itong mga chlorine na to, ah. Loko to, ah. Loko, isa pa! Mamatay si Nina. At least may antidote. Ayun, may healing word tayo nakakuha doon. Thank you sa healing herb. So, dito tayo. Mali yata dapat. May treasure doon eh. Sa babadaan natin, tara. Dito ta. Dan 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 dan. Uy, zombie. Si Ken nga pa unahin natin. Kaya pangalan eh, no? Asa. Distracted lang pala. Mga loko-loko itong mga to, ha? Charge! Walang kwenta. Uy, banda na. So dito daan natin. Pasok dito. Kunin natin yung treasure. Ano daan doon? Wala pa daan doon? Hindi, patayin na natin to. Charge! Patay! Nag-critical. Dan 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 dan. Paya! Kinapos pa si ano? Si Nina. Bawi na kagad yung isang herb natin ginawa dun eh, no? Dito daan, dito, ikot dito, tapos dito sa baba. Dan dan dan. Zombie ka pala, ha? Yung zombie parang uod eh, no? Ayun, pinatay pa yung isa. Thank you! Ha! Loko. Kala mo, ha? Nursing level yun. Yun, may barrier na. Nice. Pwede nga siguro papera muna tayo dito eh, no? 300 Jenny, nice. Kanya ba ng ganyan? Hindi matutuwa pa ako. So, sa part na to, meron yata dito eh. Ha? Elevator going down? I am told that it must be the best to be split up from here. Ershin will go down and walk through the mist. Ershin says two of you should move using the rooftops. Tama. Are you sure? Are you sure you will able to cross if we do? Ano yan? Ershin says certainly we will. Move Ken and Nina together while moving Ershin separately. You can switch between them by pressing the select button. So, may konting ano to. So, dito, teka ha. Ang kailangan kasi natin, makapunta muna dito sa ano, sa kabila. Switch between blue. Okay, alam na natin yan. So, saan tayo tatawid dito? Pwede tayo tabalo dito. Nice. Parang lugi yata tayo pag inatake tayo dito nang wala sa oras eh, no? Magalkanto naman tayo eh. Sige. There is another lever on the upper level. She needs you to go to turn it on under the understand. Okay. Dito, babalik tayo dito. Ito tayo tadaan. Putik na buhay yan. Iikot lang tayo dito eh. Ah, okay. I get it. Mali. Balik tayo dito. Ngayon, paano natin papupuntahin si ano doon? Kailangan natin mapuntahan yung may pabigat dito eh. Itong part na to. Takay na natin yan. Dadan. Bawi na kagad yung pera natin eh. Ngayon, saan ang daan? Parang nakaka tayo ng stock dito nang wala sa oras ah. So talagang doon dapat ang daan natin. Pero dapat dito nasa ano tayo, diba? Ayun, doon pala daan. Tama, tama. Anong wala na. Baba natin sila Rio dito. Sila Kin. Ay, no! Bobo. Molotov. Dito. I see you successfully made through. Do you want to see the one over there? Ayun na pupunta natin. She says that you must go there now. You mean over there was that lever is? Okay, right? Saan ba tayo pumasok kanina? Dito, di ba? Doon sa kabila. So, dito yung treasure. Wage cloth. So, we got a waistcloth. Leaves little to the imagination. Ano natin kung ano yun no? Dan 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 Kulukot nga siya ka to no? Dan. Buti lagi siyang dili ng isang turn no? Bago siya matake sa atin. Kailangan natin ibalik si Urshin doon. Ande. Balik mo tayo dito. Tama ba? Tama pala. Mali ako, sorry. Ito yung isa pang lever. What should we do now, Urshin? I told you that if we both valves are open simultaneously, that it will thin me somewhat. That means we're able to get through it, right? Apparently so. Let us begin. 1, 2, 3. And since the mist will only recede for a brief time, I believe that means we should hurry. Tama naman. At least nakuha natin yung treasure doon. At mukhang may boss battle na naman mangyayari. Did someone else hear the strange sound? Dahil isa anger and fear, a person's hatred given form. She says it is to be expected that that's strange. Noises will be emanated from it. Laking pishi-pishi yun, no? She also says that as long as it is only sounds, we have nothing to fear. Come on. Come, let us continue. Wala bang items? Oh, sabi na nga. Dampang fish. Ang pogi ng PC. What was that? A malevolent energy of the Hex has caused a coalesced into the physical form. Ershin said it is extremely dangerous. If it's dangerous, why will we be laughing? You should be getting out of here. Apparently so. It would appear if I wasn't in error. I should not land on just juncture. Hayop na Urshin to. Very well then, let us flee. Buti alam mo. Nangangamoy boss battle to eh. It appears it's following us. She suggests we should run. Wala na tatanong ng suggestion yan. Talaga dapat takbo na. Ayop na buhay. Temple run na nga po. No! Takbo! Kapag lupa! Takbo! Buisit na buhay yan. Very good. We made it. Or we maybe not. Boss battle! Uses poison, confusion, attacks, poison equipment carefully. Equip. Guard muna natin lahat. Tingnan natin kung ano makukuha natin dito. Venom Breath. Tingnan natin kung ano makukuha natin dito. Meditate! Aura! Ability Urshin. Risky shot lang naman eh. Tara! Labas! Aura! Miss. Thank you. Toko ka ha? Dun. Flame! Hindi. Fire. Severe. Risky shot. Miss. Kaya nga natin. Oh! Fire window! Ganun lang uli. Severe. 600 damage eh. Ho! Da dan da dan. Da 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 dan, da 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 dan. Sayang. Kaya. Tama mo, Urshin. Tadan. Hindi tinamaan. Tama mo, Urshin. Hindi pwede yun. Yari tayo. Sakto. Nice shoot. Patay ang isda. Bugbog ang isda sa atin eh, no? Oh, tumayo ka! Tayo! Tayo! Wala ka pala eh. Lokon to, dinadaan tayo sa poging isdang yun. The malicious content in the herbs cannot be easily dissipate. Even if it has been struck down, it will slowly grow larger. It will within the area affected by the herbs until it is strong enough to reform. At least, is that what Urshin says? I don't know why, but I feel sad for some reason. This hex, it is horrible, isn't it? It was human who created the hexes. Urshin says you get what you deserve. Tama siya. Agree. We must move on. Use this ladder there. Di makakalayo sa tayo rito. Thank you very much for helping us. Without you, we never would have been able to do it. If you wish to take anyone, you should take Urshin. Thank you, Urshin. Busy tabuhay yan. Well, I'm afraid we don't have anything we can give you right now, but nothing of a material nature is required. Urshin says she wishes to accompany that man. You mean Ken? Yes, si Ken. Hado Ken. Apparently so. I see. Well, we need to get back to the Cray where Cray is waiting. The sooner, the better, if I know him. He's probably getting really worried by now. Okay, tara. At least nakawala na tayo doon. Let's muna tayo. Tapos mag-transfer tayo ng ilang abilities. Wala pa tayong master eh. Skill. Chlorine, lagay natin kay ano. Tapos distracted. At least may 1 orum pa tayo. May orum pa tayo dito. So, rest muna tayo. And we got it. Okay, punta na tayo kay Cray. So, nakikray na tayo. Hooray! Nina, I'm glad to see you. I was beginning to worry as something bad happened. I'm sorry, Cray. I almost forgot. Cray, this is Ken and Urshin. Why don't you sit down and tell me all about what happened, I see. So in the end, I wasn't able to get these parts we need. And if it hadn't for Ken and Urshin, we probably wouldn't have made it back at all. Nabubulol na talaga ako. Don't worry about the parts. I'm just glad you made it back in one piece. I never should have let you go off by yourself. Okay. At least, pwede tayong anahin na dito, no? Kasama na natin si Cray. Everything is alright. Urshin says everything appears as if your sunflower was damaged by a dragon. That's right. How did you know about that? It would appear that Urshin can sense such things. Urshin is very sleepy. I'm sorry. You must be tired from after your journey. Well, we just thank you for all you've done for Nina. As you can see, I can offer much in the way of style. But you're welcome to spend the night here. Gagapangin si Nina, no? And to the other side, that night I had a dream. Si Follow naman to. Dun 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 dun. That's it. This is it. Teka lang guys ha. Hindi, okay na pala. This is the place holding Lina, okay? Yes, it is just like Ken's dream when you showed us, right? Don't get your hopes up too much, we still need to find her. Let's go. So, save tayo dito. Okay, game. Dun da da da. Dun da 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 da. may mga torture device pa dito. Uy, bot lies. Toxic flies, ha? Tilangan natin kung ano makukuha natin. Chlorine na naman. Wala bang maliban sa ibang counters? Chlorine? Wala. Ayun na yan, mga botline na yan. Aray! Loko ka. Loko. Dun 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 dun. Sakit kay Cray yung damage eh, no? Yeah, may treasure. Nice. Orong muli. Bawin yung isang orong natin. Dun 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 dun. Uy, Gonghead. Alam ko meron bigay ito eh. Try natin. Ram. Heal natin siya na. Tadan! Grabe, ang sakit nun. Loko ka! Ha? Sakit ha? No! Buisit to. Tibay ng Gonghead. Kala sa Gonghead pala patay na eh, no? Loko-lokong Gonghead yun, ang sakit. Daming inuubo sa akin nun, ha? Wala pa naman tayong pera. Somebody's coming. Sino to? What then is the status of the sacrifice? It continues to grow, Lord Yuna. Excellent. I am greatly pleased. Blast. They see us. Balik. If we can walk behind the curtains enough slowly, we should able to get to the other side without being seen. Pero before tayo dumaan doon, may treasure ba dito? Wala. So, balik na tayo sa reality. Ang sakit ng gonghid hayop na yun. Dream? Yes, you were in it and so skin. A dream where all went to rescue Elena. You mean you had the same dream? Urshin says that was Ken's dream. What do you mean, Urshin? Urshin says it was a dream that possible future once seen through the dragon's eye. The glimpse of what may be. Dragon's eye? You mean, wait a second. You mean if we take him with us, he can take us to the place we saw the dream? He can take us to Elena? Apparently so. So, yan ang sinasabi natin sa ula. So, from here, tignan natin kung ano mangyayari. Call it an omen, call it a vision. Call it whatever you want to. I want to believe it is real. Until now, we haven't much to go on. But now, I feel somewhat closer to my sister. Like we're finally on the right track. And it's all thanks to Ken, isn't it? Yan sinasabi ko sa inyo eh. You better thank Ken. Yung tatandayin niyo si Master Ken. Urshin says that she will go where Ken goes. Okay, let's get moving. We can use the side carrier, so we have to go on foot. We follow the coastline and head to north. So, pa-north tayo, pa-north. The North Novembers. So, teka. From here. So, eto na nga tayo ulit. So, save tayo rito. So, papunta tayo north. Maraming development ngayon eh, no? Many developments na nangyayari ngayon. So, saan tayo susunod? Kurok. Sa Kurok ang punta natin. Wala bang item dito? Pero alam ko meron isang part dito na pwede natin kuhanan ng libre berries eh, no? Ito, magnanakaw tong gagong to eh. G-Grow. Ay, pambigay sa atin yung kailangan natin eh. Come on, come on. Makulit, no? Sige. Charge! Dun, dun, dun. Tigas ha? Pwede mo tayo siguro palebo ng konti dito. Tumakas kang gago! Loko. Tinakasan tayo ng gago. Wala man lang loots. Oh. May red cap doon, no? Pershing, kailangan kita rito. Loko. Yung red cap eh, baka mayroong bigay eh. Wala. Dan. Heal muna natin si Rage. Loko. Isa pa. Sakit ha? Bugbugin yan. Aray! Loko. Isa pa. Tak natin si Sir Shin dito. Loko-loko to eh. Ganda. Ay, gagot to. Kinakasa na naman tayo ng hayop. So, kumabot at least 1,500 na pera natin dito bago tayo no? Brass helm. Tara, tuloy natin. Baka may makuha pa tayo rito eh. Pa-level tayo ng konti. Pa-level tayo ng konti, sayang to eh. Nakatakas yung red cap eh. Loko, tatakas ka pa. Huwag ka na tatakas. Sakit ah. Loko. 98. Tara, paano muna tayo? Heal muna, heal. We have need to heal. We had need. Yung nag-grammar yan. Up muna tayo. Rest. Tapos dito, ano natin to. Yan. Then, tuloy natin yung sana. Kurok. So, sino nandito? White gulang kapala, blue gulang pala. Rimuro lang pala to. Nako, pupugbugin lang natin to. Loko. Kapal ng mukha, no? Okay. Para ito yata yung unang master natin eh. Si Rolf. The world is full of fools and dullards. Few they seek to master the art of magic. Do you not agree? That's not exactly what I expected, but you simply saying that because you are thinking of what I want to hear, are you? No matter what, I am Wolf, the secret of mystic arts. If you want to learn what I teach, first you must learn how to use haste. Siyempre si Nina. Kailangan ni haste ni Nina. Those who have learned my spell haste can move faster than others in battle. Know this, the art of magic takes hard work, to perseverance to learn, and such learning often done through the battle. Once you have been able to make a combo attack the more than 5 hits, return here and I will teach you more. Farewell. So 5 hits. Actually kaya naman eh. Minsan ka nakaka-6 hits ta. Ay, may treasure. Pag may treasure, magpakakawalan. May tayo kumombo. Tumakas na yung medcap eh. Duwag. Excuse me. Deep diver. So, I think gawin natin yung ano. Kailangan natin at least 5, 4, 3 o 4. Para makakombo tayo ng 5. Ito, pwede na ito. Ryu Special Meditate. Aura. Guard tayo. Kasi kakailanganin ko yung ano niya rito. Yung bird. Ayaw ko kunin ko yung bird kanina eh. Sayang. Sakala siguro pag marami-rami ng oro. Asa. Plus 3 hits, so 5. Sige, game. Fire. Severe. Special attack. Chlorine. Ha! Fire window. Sakto, 5 hits. Ang mahirap yung susunod 10 hits Wala tayong pang turn spell Okay, roll. The world is full of fools. Oh, it's you. How it goes? Have you learned more on the way magic? I see. That is more interesting. You have been better than I have hoped for. Very well, I teach you, Eddie. Who will learn Eddie? Siyempre, si Nina. Become apprentice. I-apprentice na rin natin kaya sa Ershin, no? AP plus 1 Hindi, bababa attack niyan Free agent muna natin yan. Never mind. If you wish further knowledge, you must be able to perform combo more than 10. Okay. At least may haste tayo. Tara, takbo tayo dito. Let's get out of here. Dapat talaga kunin na natin tong burn no? Search na lang natin. Gubos pa tayo ng mana dyan. And ito, hindi tayo. Progress na rin itong nagawa natin dito, no? So, I think dito muna tayo matatapos, mga kasama. For now. So, meron pa tayong isang upload within this Sunday, I think. Magtatry pa ako ng isa pang episode na pwede natin upload. So, medyo mababa lang ulit tayo sa rate ngayon. Kasi maraming gagawin So, for now, dito muna tayo. Abangan nyo episode 3. Within this week lang yan. Within this week. Meron tayong isa pa. So, guys, kita kits and babush. Thank you very much sa lahat.